Secret files about the assassination of President John F. Kennedy finally released, but not all of them are being made public. 2,800 records were released last night.
But in a last-minute decision, about 300 files were held back. Anna Meiler's here with the latest for us. Anna?
And Chris, just before all the documents were set to be released, the CIA and FBI asked President Trump to withhold thousands of pages in the name of national security. But we are learning some interesting new details from the classified documents that were opened up to the public for the first time ever. More than 50 years after the assassination of President John F. Kennedy, there are still so many questions and conspiracies. Among the many hoping for answers, the Secret Service agent who was with JFK that day.
Perhaps within them we'll find out the motive or answer the question why.
A 1992 law required the release of thousands of classified documents, but late Thursday, the president agreed to block some of those records.
This breeds more conspiracy theories because people will speculate on what's being held back.
Still, some new details have come to light. 25 minutes before Kennedy was shot, a London reporter received an anonymous tip to call the U.S. Embassy, quote, for some big news. The FBI discussed Lee Harvey Oswald prior to the assassination. He was part of a pro-Fidel Castro group that was on its radar. The Cuban leader met with U.S. government officials and insisted neither he nor his government were involved with the president's death. Many are hoping for details on Oswald's mysterious trip to Mexico, where he met with Cuban and Soviet spies and an expert in assassinations.
Didn't the CIA know much more about what was going on with Oswald in Mexico City? Didn't they suspect that he was a much bigger threat? And why didn't they warn Washington?
The documents also show the CIA discussed efforts to assassinate Castro and even forged ties with the mob to possibly help. And the FBI received a call at its Dallas office threatening Oswald's life the night before he was shot and killed by Jack Ruby. Anna Meiler, WBZ News.